Why can't we unlock cores anymore? As we all know, many CPU and GPU models are actually higher spec cores, with some parts disabled. These disabled cores might have unstable performance. Gamers jokingly call them scraps, but these disabled cores weren't always bad. In the early DIY days, players could flash BIOS firmware, and if lucky, unlock the disabled cores to enable core unlocking. Still stable, with a direct performance boost. For example, the famous AMD Athlon CPU could unlock 2 cores to 4. NVIDIA's GTX 465 could also be unlocked to GTX 470 specs. But fast forward to 2026, there are still many models with disabled cores, like AMD's 9600X, which is a 9700X with 2 cores disabled. But core unlocking is no longer possible. This is because manufacturers have physically restricted core unlocking. Early disabling methods were software-based, limiting only at the BIOS level. They weren't thorough and increased power consumption. But now, it's complete hardware disabling. During packaging and testing, the core circuits in the disabled areas are directly severed, completely blocking any possibility of unlocking cores. So core unlocking has become a thing of the past for DIY.